Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Tinder without ping. So stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to get most out of the app for free. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to create an account on Tinder and it is really simple. You can log in with your Google account, Facebook account or your phone number, and once you have created your account, you're good to go. There are different ways to contact people for free on Tinder. The first is after completing your profile information, head to your profile and click on this pencil icon. This is the place where you can upload your photo. So click on this plus icon and head to your library. Now what you can do is add your social media, Snapchat or Instagram to your Tinder profile. So select the photo and then click on next, and with that, it will be uploaded in your photos on Tinder. By adding your social media like Snapchat or Instagram provides additional ways for potential matches to connect with you, and this can make your profile more engaging and authentic, helping you to build trust with other users. And the second way to contact people is similar to the first. You have to go to your account and edit your information. For this, tap on this pencil icon. Now scroll down, and here you can see this About Me section. And what you can do is add your social media links here in this About Me section. This makes it easier for others to reach out to you, increasing the chances of meaningful connections. Last but not the least thing you can do is make your profile catchy. If your account is complete, you will have better chances of getting matches. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.